If you're juggling multiple adapters and cables just to connect your laptop to an older monitor, this USB-C to DVI cable could be the straightforward solution you've been looking for. It combines adapter and cable in one, cutting down on clutter and complexity in your workspace. Designed for devices with Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C ports, this cable connects directly to a DVI monitor without needing any extra parts. That means fewer components to lose or tangle, making your setup cleaner and easier to manage. One of the key benefits is the video quality it delivers. Supporting resolutions up to 1920 by 1200, it taps into the full video capabilities of your device's USB-C connection. So whether you're working on detailed spreadsheets or streaming videos, the picture remains sharp and clear. The USB-C connector is reversible, which might seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in everyday use. No more fumbling around trying to plug it in the right way, just a quick, smooth connection every time. Installation is just as simple. This cable supports plug and play, meaning you don't have to install drivers or software. Just plug it in, and your device recognizes the monitor instantly. It's designed to get you up and running without any hassle. Keep in mind, your device's USB-C port must support DisplayPort over USB-C, also known as DP Alt mode, for this cable to work properly. If your port doesn't support this feature, the connection won't transmit video signals through the cable. That said, the cable is backward compatible with 1080p displays. So if your monitor has a lower resolution, you'll still get a reliable connection and good image quality without any issues. One user shared their experience with a Dell XPS 15, a laptop featuring a Thunderbolt 3 port. They initially struggled to understand the new technology but found this cable solved their problem by connecting to their existing DVI monitor seamlessly. Interestingly, they had tried another adapter from a well-known brand but faced interference with their laptop's Wi-Fi. This USB-C to DVI cable, however, worked flawlessly without any connectivity issues, proving its reliability in real-world use. This kind of dependable performance is exactly what you want when setting up your workspace. Whether you're upgrading your home office or connecting a second monitor at work, this cable keeps things simple and efficient. What changes when you switch to this cable? You get a neat, straightforward connection that reduces desk clutter and eliminates the frustration of multiple adapters. Plus, the crisp image quality helps you stay productive and focused. It's worth a look if you own a USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 device and still rely on a DVI monitor. Instead of hunting for separate adapters and cables, this all-in-one solution streamlines your setup with no compromise on quality. If that's you, this cable could save you time and hassle. It's a practical choice that delivers what it promises: clear visuals, easy connection, and reliable performance without the extra bulk. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your connection experience. It's a simple step that makes a noticeable difference in how you work and interact with your devices. In summary, this USB-C to DVI cable offers a clean, effective way to connect modern laptops to older monitors. With support for high resolutions, reversible connectors, and plug-and-play ease, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your tech setup. Don't let outdated connections slow you down. This cable bridges the gap between new devices and existing monitors, ensuring you get the most out of your hardware without unnecessary complications. Investing in this cable means less desk clutter, smoother connections, and a better viewing experience. It's a straightforward tool that works quietly in the background, so you can focus on what matters most. Remember, your USB-C port needs to support DP Alt mode for this to work, but if it does, you're all set for a hassle-free, high-quality video connection. It's a small upgrade with a big impact. Make your setup cleaner and your workflow smoother with this USB-C to DVI cable. It's a practical, reliable choice that keeps your tech simple and your display sharp.